thing, and I have a tooth in here. Can't you see? Let me get it.
So what happened today? How did it come out? How did you know it was loose?
I ate something and at this lunchtime when I was like away,
Oh, so you weren't at Dee Dee's place, you was at Galway.
yeah, and then it was loose, and then see this teeth right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's where I got it out. So
Loud or in the food? What happened?
it was stuck in the food.
Really?
No, it wasn't. It was, I ate a popsicle, so I got it out.
And you kept it, you put it in your pocket?
No, I ate Miss Lamito, put it in a bag.
So it was at Dee Dee's place then, when it happened?
Yeah, no, and it has blood right here because I was hurting so bad.
So now what's gonna happen now? So you're gonna keep that in there, and what's gonna happen?
I think the tooth fairy's gonna come and get it. And then she's gonna give me $1. So thank you,
How do you know? You didn't get it yet. She might be too busy with other kids and flying around the world.
She might fly around the world and get whoever, if they're a kid that has a loose tooth, if they come out on that day and you put it under your pillow, she would open it, get your tooth box, and my favorite part about it is my tooth under at the top because I like how it's sharp, nice and sharp. And thank you.